So we got an iPhone X and we need to change the screen on it. They said it's the screen because they seen some blue lights all over and stuff like that. So we're gonna test the screen on it first and see how, if it's gonna work or not. So now let's get those two screws off the bottom. iPhone 10 or the X, let's say, it's kinda always have like those bottom screws. Sometimes they are ruined, and it takes a nice screwdriver to get them off, but yeah, we got them. Now let's try. Now use my razor blade. I'll get it in all the way. Those have really long edges, like frame. The frame is really long, so you have to go deep. And open on the side little by little. Now, like I said, this is not like the 6 or so from the 6 and from the 7 and up, all of it opens like a wallet, because the wiring is a little different between all of them. Now there we go. So release the top little by little. You don't want to cut no wires. There we go. So now we got it open. Use my screwdriver. First thing first, disconnect the battery. Put the screws in order, so you know where the place is where you put them back, because they all look alike but they're not alike. Some of them are really small, some of them are really long, some of them are different. And keep your screwdriver magnetized. So now go get that part off, disconnect the battery. Sparks. And disconnect this port. That port is disconnected. Now be careful with the proximity sensor. So I gotta disconnect it first, and the wire is glued. Now you gotta be careful. Just put it a little by little. You could do it with the screwdriver from the bottom, little by little like this, and we got it out. There we go. Now, like you see, there's no home button, so what we gotta do, they got a face recognition in these new phones, so all we have to do is just move the earpiece, and then that's got the face recognition, so we gotta be careful. Cut some wires, and that's it. Put that to the side. Okay, now let's actually fix or test the new screen. Let's see how is it gonna work. Because they say this must be, I don't know, they say it's the screen, but I doubt it. Sometimes it's not the screen, sometimes it's the battery, sometimes it's the charger port. A lot of things can be wrong, Customer might not know sometimes. Get everything connected nicely. connected. Connect the battery back. Make sure it's connected all the way. Then test. There we go. It is the screen. So we're good to go. Now disconnect the battery again and disconnect that new screen. And let's set it up. Keep that on the side. The new one, the old one I mean, the new one, we'll get all the plastic out before you put anything. Okay. 3 screws. One of them is really small that I really hate. Wrong screwdriver. This one, 2, 3, and we're gonna have to give it a little bit of heat, right from here, so I can loosen the earpiece. And just be careful. Yeah, see, it's loose already. I like that. See, I like that. We gotta move this little thing, plastic too, because I don't have it on the new one. Just gotta be careful, don't break it. There we go. Alrighty, so let's put it on the new one. Go. It's in. Now the sensors. Make sure everything is in place. There we go. There, that click was good. Oh, now let's do the small screw, which is already height. Excuse me. Okay, back to it. So now, here's the first one. first screw, second screw. It comes like with a little edge frame to it, so you gotta to move it to make it straight before you tied it up. Okay, now straight, all good. Now the third one. You're ready. All good. Now get back to the phone. Reconnect everything. And now this thing right here has to go back in place the way